Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can dropship from Temu to Shopify. It's very easy to do. For this, first go to admin.shopify.com and open your store. Then in your store, you can see a bunch of options from the left side. From here, select Add Apps. Now here you can see a bunch of apps here. Now if you scroll down, then you will see an option Shopify App Store. Select it and it will be redirected to your Shopify App Store. Then from the App Store we can search any apps. So we will search Temu here. So now search for Temu, and in the result we will see lots of options here. So what we have to do, you can see an apps Temu and AliExpress dropshipping selected. Is you can dropshipping with it the app. So what you have to do here, you have to install the app. Just select install. Now it will be redirected to any other page to another page to install it. From here select install again. Now it will be installed to your Shopify store. Then you can now you have to link your Temu account here, and you can drop shipping from here. So that's it, and that's how you can dropship from Temu on Shopify. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.